it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now You Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram videos not playing. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to watch a video on Instagram but it's not playing, here the first thing we're gonna do is to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and then turn off your Wi-Fi and use the cellular data because it might be stronger than your Wi-Fi. The second thing that we're gonna do is to tap on the power button and then power off your phone and then restart it. If this doesn't work, then we're going to our settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now hit manage apps. Here scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. And we're gonna tap on clear data, then clear cache. Now confirm. So this is kind of refresh the app and fix if there's any issues in the app. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.